Are you hunting for a job that offers flexibility and can be done at night without a degree? Welcome to a world where the traditional 9-to-5 grind is a thing of the past. Today we'll be exploring a range of job options that not only offer the comfort of working from home but also the convenience of setting your own schedule. We'll dive into 11 different roles that you can take on remotely, even during the night. From virtual assistant roles to freelance writing, from online tutoring to managing social media accounts. Perhaps you're more into data entry or graphic design, or you might be interested in becoming an online reseller, a virtual bookkeeper, or even an online survey taker or market researcher. Each of these roles offers a unique blend of flexibility, remote work, and the potential for a good income. So, if you're ready to step into a new world of work, stay tuned as we delve into 11 remote jobs you can do at night. Our first job on the list is a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is like an online personal assistant, providing support services such as administrative tasks, scheduling, and email management. They can work for a single client or multiple clients, offering services based on their skill set. The average pay rate for a virtual assistant varies widely, but it often ranges from $15 to $30 per hour depending on experience and the complexity of tasks. Skills required include good communication, organization, and familiarity with digital tools like Google Suite or Microsoft Office. You can find job opportunities on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Simply Hired. So, if you're a night owl with a knack for organization and a desire to help others stay on top of their game, a virtual assistant job offers flexibility and the opportunity to work from a variety of locations. Next up, we have the role of a customer service representative. This position is all about interaction, problem solving, and of course, providing stellar customer service. Your responsibilities may include responding to customer inquiries, troubleshooting issues, and ensuring customer satisfaction, all from the comfort of your own home. This role is particularly appealing for its flexible schedule, with many companies offering overnight customer service. If you're a night owl, this might be the perfect fit for you. Now, let's talk about pay. The average hourly wage for a remote customer service representative ranges from $10 to $15, depending on experience and the company. As for the skills, you'll need excellent communication abilities, problem-solving skills, and a knack for providing great customer service. Job opportunities are abundant, especially with the rise of remote work. You can find these positions on job platforms such as LinkedIn, Indeed, and Remote.co. With numerous companies offering overnight customer service, this job provides a great opportunity for night owls. Moving on, let's discuss the job of a transcriptionist. A transcriptionist is someone who listens to audio files and converts them into written text. This job is perfect for night owls as it can be done at any hour, and all you need is a good set of headphones, a computer, and an internet connection. The tasks a transcriptionist performs include listening to audio, typing out what's said, and proofreading the text for accuracy. You need to have a good command of the language you're transcribing, fast typing skills, and a keen ear. Average pay rates for a transcriptionist can vary, but on average you can expect to make around $15 to $25 an hour. You can find transcriptionist jobs on various online job boards and websites that specialize in freelance work. In a world that's increasingly digital and connected, the transcriptionist job is ideal for those looking for flexible, remote work. Next, we have the role of a freelance writer or content creator. This job is all about generating engaging content that grabs attention and drives action. This could be in the form of articles, blog posts, social media posts, and more. The beauty of this job is its flexibility. You can create content when inspiration strikes, be it day or night. Now let's talk money. A freelance writer or content creator can earn on average between $20 to $50 per hour, depending on experience and the complexity of the work. To thrive in this role, you need a knack for storytelling, a solid understanding of your target audience, and a good command of language. Opportunities? They're in plenty. Many businesses and individuals are constantly on the lookout for content creators to help them craft their message and build their brand. Freelance writing or content creation offers a chance to work remotely and on your own schedule. Up next is the role of an online tutor. If you have a knack for a particular subject, be it math, English, or even music, you can turn that expertise into a viable online job. As an online tutor, you'll have the opportunity to help students from around the globe in honing their skills and understanding complex concepts. The average pay rate for online tutors varies greatly depending on your area of expertise and experience, but it typically ranges from $20 to $50 per hour. Now, what skills do you need? Apart from a solid understanding of your chosen subject, You'll also need excellent communication skills and a good dose of patience. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant are great places to start looking for online tutoring opportunities. So, why not use your knowledge to help others and earn a decent income at the same time? Online tutoring allows you to share your knowledge with students worldwide. Now let's talk about the job of a social media manager. This role is a fantastic option for those who have a knack for connecting with people and enjoy the dynamic environment of social media platforms. As a social media manager, you'll be responsible for creating engaging content, scheduling posts, and interacting with followers. This includes everything from brainstorming post ideas to monitoring comments and messages. The average pay rate for a social media manager can range from $30 to $50 per hour, depending on experience and the size of the company. The key skills required for this role are creativity, excellent communication skills, and a thorough understanding of different social media platforms. Familiarity with analytics tools can also be beneficial to track the performance of your posts. Job opportunities can be found on various online job boards and freelance websites, as well as directly on company websites. As a social media manager, you can engage with followers and create content from the comfort of your home. Next on our list is the role of a data entry clerk. This position is all about transferring information from various sources into a computer system. Attention to detail is crucial, as accuracy is paramount in this role. You might be entering customer details, updating records, or inputting sales figures. The specifics can vary depending on the company. The average pay rate for a data entry clerk is around $14 per hour, but this can rise with experience and speed. No specific degree is required, but you'll need to be comfortable with basic computer programs and have a good typing speed. Finding opportunities for data entry work is relatively straightforward. Many job boards and freelance platforms have sections dedicated to data entry. Websites like Upwork, Indeed, and FlexJobs are great places to start your search. Data entry offers a chance to work remotely and at flexible hours. It's a great option if you're looking for a job you can do at night, from the comfort of your own home. Moving forward, we have the job of a graphic designer. Graphic designers are the creative wizards behind the captivating visuals you see on websites, advertisements, logos, and more. With the rise of digital marketing, the demand for this role has significantly increased. The average pay for a graphic designer varies widely. Starting out, you might make around $30,000 per year, but with experience and a strong portfolio, you could earn over $60,000 annually. The key skills for a graphic designer include proficiency in design software like Adobe Creative Suite, a keen eye for aesthetics, and the ability to translate client needs into engaging visuals. There are numerous job opportunities for graphic designers. You can find work on freelance platforms or with businesses directly. Some graphic designers even establish their own client base, working as independent contractors. Graphic designing allows you to express your creativity while working remotely. Now, isn't that a great way to make a living? Next, let's talk about the role of an online reseller. This role is all about buying and selling goods on online platforms. It could be vintage clothing on Etsy, electronics on eBay, or a variety of products on Amazon. The beauty of this role is that it doesn't require a degree, and you can work whenever you wish, making it a perfect nighttime job. Now, the average pay rate can vary widely because it's largely dependent on the profit margins of the items you're selling. However, with savvy purchasing and selling strategies, successful online resellers can earn a substantial income. The key skills needed include a keen eye for valuable items, negotiation skills for buying at the right price, and marketing skills to sell your products effectively. You can find opportunities by signing up on various e-commerce platforms and starting to buy and sell. Remember, start small, learn the ropes, and gradually expand your online business. Being an online reseller offers a chance to earn money at any hour. Up next, we have the role of a virtual bookkeeper. This role is all about managing financial records and transactions for businesses and individuals. As a virtual bookkeeper, you'll be tasked with keeping track of income and expenses, processing payroll, and preparing financial reports. Plus, you might also handle invoicing and reconciling bank statements, making sure the numbers add up. The beauty of this job is that you can often work remotely and at night. The average pay for a virtual bookkeeper can range from $20 to $40 an hour, depending on experience and the complexity of the work. In terms of skills, you'd need a good understanding of accounting principles, proficiency in software like QuickBooks or Excel, and of course, strong attention to detail. Job opportunities for virtual bookkeepers are plentiful. You can find listings on job boards like Indeed or FlexJobs, or even start your own virtual bookkeeping business. Virtual bookkeeping allows you to manage financial records remotely. Finally, let's discuss the role of an online survey taker or market researcher. This role is exactly as it sounds. You're either taking surveys or conducting market research on behalf of various companies. Your insights and opinions can shape the future of products and services, and it's all done remotely, often on a schedule that suits you. The average pay rate can vary quite a bit, from a few cents per survey to $20 an hour for more in-depth market research. The skills required are quite minimal. Basic computer literacy, the ability to follow instructions, and a keen eye for detail are generally all you need. As for job opportunities, numerous websites offer these services. You'll find a broad range of surveys and research tasks on sites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Vindale Research. Remember, it's important to be honest and thorough in your responses. Your feedback can have a significant impact on a company's decision-making process. Taking online surveys or conducting market research offers a flexible way to earn money. We've discussed a variety of remote jobs that you can do at night, from assisting businesses virtually as a virtual assistant, to managing inquiries as a customer service representative, or transcribing audio files as a transcriptionist. You could also channel your creative energy into writing as a freelance writer, content creator, or share your knowledge as an online tutor. Social media managers have the power to shape a brand's online presence, while data entry clerks ensure that information is accurately recorded. Graphic designers bring ideas to life visually, and online resellers can turn a profit from selling products on various platforms. Virtual bookkeepers keep financial records in check, and as an online survey taker or market researcher, your opinion can shape the future of products and services. These roles highlight the wide range of opportunities available for those seeking flexible remote work. Remember, the right job is out there for you. Keep searching, stay flexible, and you'll find a job that fits your lifestyle.